So hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a simple trick, and that will really help you for your gaming due to your RAM starter. So basically, when your RAM is lower than 8 GB or something like this, 6 GB or 7 GB, when you started playing games, you might see stutter. So it's annoying. There's a trick to reduce the stuttering. You can't remove that completely, but you can minimize it in some scale. So here we will use a simple thing to fix that. Actually, we are going to reduce or clear your cache, RAM cache. Okay, so here you can see there is mm, my RAM is total here is 8 GB, and already 1.3 GB has been cached. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set a command in a test scheduler. So mm, this cache will be cleared automatically after certain time. So let's dig into it. So first of all, you have to go to Google. Yes, as always, Google, and then type what like that. Empty standby list. Okay, so is the empty standby list. We're gonna use this. So you go to empty standby list, this website, and you need to download this file. So download it. It's completely risk-free. It's just a simple command. So just I've downloaded it. So I'll just copy and paste it here. So this is the uh, exe file you'll need. So let's see what it can do. So what it can do. So let's see. When it started, look, here is 1.3 GB already passed from my RAM memory. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open it and see. Oh wait, wrong administrator. Boom. So as you can see, as soon as I press this, the cache will remove. So it will reduce your loading RAM. So we're gonna do is we will set this file, this command in a task scheduler so that it will automatically reduce your cache after some time. So I will show you how to do that. First of all, I need to put it in a safe place. Like uh, if your cousin or someone like that you don't know he gets your PC and just delete unnecessary folders. So just copy it on this PC. But yeah, I don't have HDD right now, so I'm just using a SSD, cheap SSD. So C drive I'm going to save it in, I guess, where? Yes, any where you like users. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my program files. So here's I will create a new file. I will name this clear catch. Simple. So clear catch and then test it. So done. So as you have already seen that it won't work uh, without the administrative right. So we're gonna do is we're gonna click properties and we're gonna go to compatibility, and then we're going to here, and we're gonna set the run this program as an administrator for all users. So I click it and apply. Hit then okay. Okay, it's done. It's almost done. So we make it set here. So now we're gonna code type test scheduler. Here's test scheduler. This one. So we're gonna go create test, and we're gonna name it anything you like here. Let's say something clear, clear cache. I'm gonna change the user, click here, and then advanced. Then I will do find now, and there's system. Okay, system is click it. Okay, okay, okay. This is click it right privileges. Okay, that. So general tab is done, and then go to triggers. In triggers, you select new, and then it will basically set the timings of your exe files. So begin the task uh, obviously on a schedule one time. So first time frame, okay, click it. And then this one, this part is very important. You have to click delay task or sorry, not this one. Sorry, delay. Oh, this one. I mistakenly told. So repeat task every 5 minutes. So as you can see, the 5 minutes is the lowest, so I can set it as 5 minutes. So repeat task every 5 minutes. What it will do is it will run the exe file after 5 minutes, simultaneously after 5 minutes. So and for a duration of indefinitely. Okay, so it's pretty much done. Stop. Okay, so it's okay. Yeah. Then action, I will do some things fast. Oh, and here is in the actions, you have to select that file which we are gonna use. So new, so program, okay, browse. I'm gonna search that what I've already put it in my clear catch file. Where was it? Clear catch, yeah, clear catch, and this one. Okay, so just click OK, and then uh, it's done. Then conditions, uh, uncheck it. Okay, settings, check it, check it, check it, uncheck it, uncheck it. Okay, so click OK. So the settings is this one, this, and this is for the selection of the file. Uh, uh, mm, I, so this everything is set. Okay, so just I'm going to task manager, see the cache is already 1.5 GB. So just look here, what I named that clear cache. Next runtime will be 139. So it's already 137. So just we'll wait 2 minutes. Okay, so 2 minutes. So I don't think you have to wait. So it will work. It will eventually work. So just